Home safety tips to prevent falls. As we age, it can be more difficult to do the things that we are used to doing every day around the house. It is normal to feel like things are getting a little more difficult, and you may even be concerned about falling in your home. But there are things that you can do to make your home safer and reduce the possibility of falling. To understand how to prevent falls, first let's take a look at why falls happen. Falls happen due to a combination of factors that include physical factors, behavioral factors, and environmental factors. These three factors play into fall risk. Physical risk factors are changes within our bodies. This can be feeling like our legs are weak or feeling like we are not balanced. Strength and balance exercises can help reduce this factor that plays a risk into falling. Check out the Otaga exercise videos to prevent falls for more information and for guided strength and balance exercises. Behavioral risk factors are things that we do or we don't do that can contribute to falling. This could be like reaching into a very high cabinet or wearing shoes that are unsupportive. It is best to wear socks with grippies on the bottom or a supportive slipper that covers the heel of the foot. Environmental risk factors include hazards in the home such as loose throw rugs, electrical cords, or clutter in the areas where we walk. Even if we eliminate just one of these risk factors, the chances of falling can be lowered. This video focuses on environmental factors, showing how small changes inside your home can make it safer and reduce the risk of falls. Some general tips that can be used throughout the house include removing all throw rugs or loose carpeting, especially in areas where we normally walk. Removing clutter from the floor, especially in areas where we generally walk. Now is a great time to organize things within your home since we are all staying at home more due to COVID-19. Ensure there is enough lighting throughout your space so you can clearly see the paths where you walk, especially during the night. Now let's walk through some simple steps you can do in each room within the house. In the bedroom, adding a nightlight is a great way to make it safer to get from the bedroom to the bathroom in the middle of the night. If there is an outlet available, try plugging it into a place close to the doorway of the bedroom. These nightlights can be found at places like the dollar store or Walmart. If you use a walker or cane, keep it in a place that you can easily reach from your bed during the night. The last tip for the bedroom is to keep the path to the door clear of clutter and move any furniture within that path to a different part of the bedroom. It is also a good idea to keep a phone on the nightstand so you don't have to rush to get up to answer it if you are in bed. Moving to the bathroom. The first tip is to use a non-slip bath mat inside the tub or shower to prevent slipping. These can be found at places like Walmart or other similar stores. If you use a bath mat outside the tub or shower, you may even consider putting one of these non-slip bath mats there as well. Adding grab bars in your bathroom can help give you something to hold on to when getting in and out of the bathtub or shower, or on and off of the toilet. If you live in an apartment, be sure to talk to your apartment manager if you're concerned about your safety within the bathroom. Moving to the living area. Make sure you tuck away any loose electrical cables from lamps or other electronics. This might require rearranging of lamps to be along the walls of the living room in order to keep cords out of the pathway. Create wide and clear paths to move about the living area. If possible, arrange the furniture so that there's enough space for you to safely move with a walker or cane. Doing so will reduce the need to hang on to furniture for stability, which can create a big risk for falling. In the last area of the home, the kitchen, avoid storing heavy pots or pans that you use often in high cabinets or low shelves. Consider storing the pot and the pan that you use most often directly on the stove. Make sure to double check that all the burners are turned off after cooking. When you are needing something that is stored in a place that you can't safely reach, be sure to ask someone for help. Avoid standing on a chair or a stool to reach an item from high cabinets. You can start taking steps today to make your home a safer place and reduce the risk of falling. If you have any questions, be sure to ask at your next RHWP Wellness visit.